In this tutorial, we are going to learn on how to add a new user on RenalGenie. But before that, do not forget to like our YouTube channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. To add a new user, log into RenalGenie with the roles of a system tenant. Reach out to our product team if you need any help with the system tenant roles. At the administration page, click on the user's management card and the system will redirect to user list. Now, on the user list page, click on the plus icon, and system will then open up the new user page, where details of the new user will be required. Proceed with filling in the user details. First name and last name, login ID, ensure that the login ID is unique and does not replicate other existing users' login ID. Gender. Phone number and email address. Identification type and ID number. Then at the Organizations section, click on the Edit Organizations button and proceed with selecting the organizations. System will open the Branches section where users are required to assign the roles for this new user. Go to the correct branch and select the roles from the drop-down list. Click Save. And upon a successful operation, system show a message that user has been added successfully. Bear in mind that for the roles of nurse, nurse manager, and doctor, users are required to configure their responsibilities at the branch level, under the staff management. To do so, log into RenalGenie with the roles of a nurse manager and open the administration page. Click on the staff management card and system will redirect to the staff list. Look for the newly added user and proceed with clicking on the user's name. Then on this page, click on the Edit button. Go to the Responsibilities column. And select the correct responsibilities accordingly, whether this user is a nurse, a PIC, or a nephrologist. User may also update the professional registration number and upload the certificate. Click Save to proceed with the changes, and system will prompt a message that user info has been updated. You have now successfully added a new user and configured their responsibilities on RenalGenie. Good job! Thank you for watching. Here is some video suggestion for you to watch next.